Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hopefully you're fine. Today our topic of discussion is one of the reactions of alkenes. That is addition of peroxy acid to the alkenes. In this reaction we will see how the addition of peroxy acid, which is an oxidizing agent, if reacts with the alkene, then what we will get as a result. So basically, peroxy acid is the oxidizing agent, and it is basically oxidizing agent, and its formula is CH3C double bond OOH, and it is also called peracetic acid. Now let's a little bit define this reaction. Have a look on it. A sort of oxidation reaction of alkenes where epoxides are formed by reacting alkenes with oxidizing agents. For example, peroxy acid or peracetic acid. Basically, what is epoxide? Epoxide is the compound, or it is a molecule in which the oxygen is cyclically bonded with the carbon or with the chain. You can see here it is a compound in which oxygen is attached with the compound in such a way that it forms a cycle. So it is called epoxide. It means in this reaction, when we react olefins, means alkenes, with the oxidizing agents, as a result we will get epoxide plus acid. That may be acetic acid or anything else. So now I will look on the mechanism of this reaction. This is the mechanism of epoxidation, because this reaction is also called epoxidation. Why? Because in this reaction we get epoxides as a you can say that product. So basically, first of all, we react alkene with the peracetic acid, which is also called oxidizing agent. It is the oxidizing agent peracetic acid. So now you can see that this pi bond, whose electrons attack on this oxygen. As a result, this bond will shift to this side. Then these pi electrons will shift to this oxygen. Ultimately, this bond will be, you can say, weak, and this oxygen being negative, this will attack on this positive proton. You can see this proton. So in this way, we will get epoxide. For example, this carbon make bond with this, and also it is a little bit, you can say that, attracted by both this carbon as well as this carbon. So we will get epoxide. Then when this bond shift to this side, so here we will get a double bond. So this is this double bond, and this bond will shift to this oxygen, and this oxygen will gain this proton, so it will form OH with single bond with carbon, and ultimately there is the methyl group. So in this way we get, you can say that, in this way we get epoxide as a main product. Then we also get acid as a byproduct. So this was all about the oxidation reaction, in which when we reacted alkenes with the you can say oxidizing agents like peracetic acid, we got epoxide as a main product. Also we get acetic acid as a byproduct. So it is a very you can easy reaction of alkene. Hopefully you have gotten this reaction. If you have any confusion regarding this reaction, do comment. Till then, Allah Hafiz.